I am here with the Christmas Super Simple #1, and this is the quick flip through. If you want the full tutorial, the link will be down below, so you can go ahead and find that down there. But this one will just give you a quick overview, and I also added a few fun embellishments for this one that I didn't have added in the longer video. So let me just give you the rundown. This is #1. I want to zoom in on these papers so you can kind of get a feel for that Christmassy kind of Victorian sweet. Anyway, they're beautiful. So shout out to my daughter for designing those. They turned out amazing. So here it is. So this is how it would go in your journal. I'm going to go ahead and just put it in a sample journal so you can kind of see how that works. But it goes over the side of the page, and this gets glued into your journal entirely. And this one has some journaling, and then it has this fun little tag. Excuse me. And then when you turn the page, now I can get rid of that now that you see, well, maybe I better keep it just in case. So then you turn the page and you have this tag with some extra little goodies in there. And you could do journaling or a picture on the back. Then you have this other teeny tiny little surprise pocket there. And then that opens up and you have some more journaling here. And then you have this really pretty flip right here. And this side you have this big tag. And I added this. I didn't do this in the long video, so just a heads up, that's just something fun, a fun way to top off the tag. It has journaling on the back. And then I just have this little extra goodie in there. And this fun collage, and when then you flip that, you have your cute little angel girl and this really beautiful place to journal. And then that closes and that closes, and it flips open, and you have some more journaling right there. So it's a really fun one to create. There's a lot going on, but the video just makes it easy to kind of follow along and make yours. So anyway, that is Christmas #1. I'm working to get the other ones out, and I'm excited to show you how the rest of these are gonna all come together. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.